Yan.
Julia?
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, Ms. Marcus.
Hi, hello. Sian, hindi naman to ang first time na nag-direct ka, pero anong feeling na tinatawag ka na talagang director? Direct Sian na ang tawag sa'yo.
Ako, maraming salamat po. It feels great. I take it as laking pasasalamat din po yung dumadaan sa puso't isipan ko ngayon because I know very early on sa career ko po as an actor, I had the calling na po, and I've always wanted to write and direct. So being given this opportunity po means a lot para sa akin. So it feels great. It feels great to be the director of Project Loki.
So does this mean ba na tuloy-tuloy na talaga yung pag-direct mo? And ano yung mas fulfilling? Ang pagiging director, piloto, actor?
Ako mahirap po.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Maricris. Napakahirap naman ang tanong. Mahirap po siyang i-compare at sabihin na one is better than the other. But what I would say is, I feel at home. I feel my heart is at its happiest every time I'm behind the camera. And imparting, katulad nga po ng sinasabi nila kanina, ng mga actors natin along with Jada and Dylan and even si Marco na I want to be able to impart with them kung ano yung mga pinagdaanan ko rin in the acting process. So it's my job here to guide them para hindi sila maligaw, and ini-explain ko rin sa kanila na as a director, iba-iba yung sensibilities namin. So iba-iba yung mga directors na makakasalamuhan nila. So yun, that's my promise to them, na alagaan ko ng mabuti yung character, and I will make sure po na each character will shine for this project.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Maricris.
Is Juan Belinario ng TV.
First Viva One project, and Dylan, this is one of your biggest roles yet. How did you work on your chemistry para mapalabas sila Loki at of course yung character ni Jada?
Well, in terms of working on our chemistry, I think right off the bat, sa ano pa lang yun yung teaser shoot. Actually, that was the first time that Dylan and I had met. I think we made it a point na we were able to chat and really talk about each other's background, tsaka yung mga shared interests natin. Like, we both enjoy music, and also, as related to Project Loki, syempre, pinag-usapan namin yung mga characters namin. And I think, dun sa, habang nasa journey kami in understanding our characters, we understand each other more. So, ayun, siguro yun yung part ng process namin. And sa tingin ko po parang every time na nagkakasama kami pag anything Project Loki, I think mas nade-develop talaga yun ng natural. It's not something that I personally felt was very difficult for it to happen. I feel like it just happened organically.
Yes, actually, hello po. Thank you for that question po. I actually agree with Jada. We worked sa teaser, sa look test, and yesterday sa pictorial. And every time na we get to work, yun nga, parang it developed, yung chemistry namin. Hindi naman planado yung ganun mga moments pero it just happens, it just builds, it grows, and yun, I'm very thankful kasi sa unang meet pa lang namin ni Jada, ang gaan niya kasama, and for sure, magaan din siya katrabaho. Naalala ko, first time namin teaser sa teaser video, nag-TikTok agad kami. So parang naging comfy na kami sa isa't isa. So that's a good sign. It's a good sign, I guess. So yun po.
Daily Alan, saan ko ng Stars Photo?
Hi. Hello. Wala.
Hello again. Good afternoon, everyone. Congratulations to your new project. This is Loki, Project Loki. Tanong ko lang si Direk Sian, parang hindi lang minsan na direct na yung tawag namin sa'yo, di ba? Pero tanong ko lang kasi parang, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, this is your first directorial dub ng series, di ba? Series ba? This is your first time to direct series?
I've done po with another production, a series na Yes, I got to do a series na po, not with Viva po.
Okay.
Yes.
Pero what are your challenges you encounter doing this? Especially yung mga ide-direct mo is mga Gen Z, di ba?
Parang bata, parang ramdam ko nga yung pagkabagets ko dito sa entablado. But thank you, Sir Alan. You're asking po is yung magiging challenge for this one. I think siguro first and foremost, karamihan po sa cast reveal, it would be their first project or ito po yung mga first or second, di ba? So, it's a challenge and a blessing as well, I would say. Kasi hindi pa na, and I'd like to look at it as a blessing kasi hindi pa nakahaluan ng bad habits pag tumagal. Kasi sometimes we develop that. But yun yung kagandahan po ng I would say fairly new in the industry. I think in terms of challenge, the adaptation, doing an adaptation, yun na talaga yung challenge yun kasi there's certain expectations na parang kailangan mo talagang maging faithful sa libro and you can't go so far away or else the audience or the readers, the die-hard fans will feel deceived na parang ano itong pinapanood namin. So yun, that's one of the challenges na tututukan ko to really stay true to the source material sa imagination din ako si Ibarra and make all the actors comfortable sa ginagawa nila kasi I think that's the secret ingredient lang naman sa chemistry. You guys asked about chemistry. It's really just trusting each other, trusting your director, trusting your co-actors, trusting the production na nandito kami para alagaan kayo. Yun lang po yun.
What kind of director daw you are? Are you a strict director or kalma lang or parang you get friends with them, parang ganyan?
Mabait naman po ako. No, ako kasi I always have the conversation with them na yung mga gusto ko i-impart sa kanila would be the experiences that I encountered. Yung mga challenges din, syempre nadapa, ilang beses na rin ako nadapa while in my journey, in my acting career, in that journey. Maraming beses na rin ako napagalitan on set, nasigawan. Maraming beses ako hindi nakapag-perform, tinanggal ako sa mismong project. So I would safely say na napagdaanan ko naman po siya. So yun, I promise that I'll be here with them, holding their hand along.
Thank you, Direk Sian. Congratulations.
Salamat.